removing a memory module. Remove the node from the chassis. Remove the top cover. To replace a front memory module on configurations with a drive cage, work through the following actions. If there is a flash power module installed on the front air baffle, disconnect the flash power module cable and remove the flash power module. For configurations with a front OCP cage, work through the following actions. Remove the OCP module. Remove the two screws that secure the front OCP cable to the OCP cage, and then disconnect the shorter OCP cable from the system board and lift this cable away from the front air baffle. Remove the front air baffle. To replace a rear memory module, work through the following actions. If there is a rear air baffle installed, remove it. If the 2U Performance PHMs are installed, remove them. Locate the memory module slots and determine which memory module is to be removed from the node. Open the retaining clip at each end of the memory module slot. Carefully hold both ends of the memory module and lift it out of the slot.